today I'm gonna take you on a daily keto routine, but here's the thing. It's not just any typical day, because this is a day after a carb up, AKA date night that I had with my husband. There were no rules. There were no rules. So I was drinking all the wine, I was eating all the carbs. We believe in balance, right? With this type of lifestyle. So today I mixed up my ketones with electrolytes, very first thing, especially after you're coming off a heavy carb day. Like, the ketones, necessary. No, don't even question that. It's totally necessary. And then I am going to be doing a lifting workout this morning. I do not usually have full glam hair, makeup done for my workouts. Today is a little bit different, and when I lift weights, I don't usually sweat. I figured, you know, I could take my shower a little bit early, do my lifting workout. Lifting weights, really great for when you have excess glucose in your system. But also, I have a hip injury. I injured my hip holding my 2-year-old on my hip, and I squatted down to pick something up and literally heard a pop. Something happened to me. It was terrible. Like, not to be dramatic, but it's impacted things, as in my workouts had to change a little bit. I have to be careful I don't like re-injure myself, and so right now I'm doing, you know, what I can do, and typically that is like lifting weights, right? So do what you can do. That's the thing. You can still reach your goals with this lifestyle without working out. Has anyone done that? Put it in the comments below. Focusing on high fat, moderate protein, low carb. When you do go off track with the keto lifestyle and then you come back on track, you just want to make sure, guys, that you stay focused, because one day can turn into 2, can turn into a week, can turn into a month. And if you're watching this after a month of being off track, don't worry about it. Just get back on track, okay? But I just wanted to put that out there. It can very easily snowball. I definitely do have my reinforcements. Okay, let's get to this workout, and then we will get to the food. I am intermittent fasting, and that's become my lifestyle. It's like 9:30 in the morning right now, so it's early. It's still, I can't believe I have my shit together early, guys. Like, who in the heck has their hair and makeup done at 9:30 in the morning on a weekend? That has never happened before. We're gonna crash this thing. I'm gonna be posting about it on Instagram. I'll be taking you guys on a behind the scenes, okay? So you're just gonna get a little behind the scenes today, in addition to the what I eat in a day types of foods. Okay, guys? So let's go. First things first, do not judge my workout attire. Yes, I just told you I just came off a cheat, or carb up, I like to say. I don't like to really say cheat anything. And yes, I'm bloated. Yes, I'm swollen. Yes, that happens every time, right? That's normal. That's to be expected. So I'm wearing sweats for this workout because that's what I feel like doing. So while I was in the shower, the kids destroyed the house. That is to be expected. What else would a 7 and 8-year-old do with run of the house? But I work out in my gym. So I go to the gym, and usually the temperature is perfect, but the seasons are changing here in Florida. And I always make sure to have a vision board. So if you guys don't have a vision board, basically photos of either you at your goal or other people at your goal, where you can keep in front of you to keep you motivated and help you achieve those goals, it's definitely something you guys want to think about. You can have photos printed. I turn my workout on my TV, so I like to do different home workouts. There's a ton on YouTube. I like to just stream my workouts, and so today I'm focusing on my arms and my back, and just trying to do anything that I can do not related to squatting, because I think I over squatted, and that is part of the problem with my hip injury. Totally underestimated how warm it was gonna be in my garage in Florida. I don't know why I thought it would be cooler.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night.
So every day I work out, I try to post in social media, and so this is me doing a boomerang for social media, for Instagram, and creating that post. Sometimes I will do multiple versions until I find the one that I like. So I do it and then I download it and then I upload it to the platform. And so it's just a part of my daily success habits. So what do you want to do, Claire? You want clean or do you want to swim in the pool? Clean?
Yeah.
Okay, let's clean the house.
Oh, you have to go. You want to swim?
So we're at the grocery store at Publix, and I'm still drinking my ketones. I added more ice to this. I drank them very slowly throughout my fasted window. Some people drink theirs all at one time. I like to just drink it slowly, and so if you're drinking ketones, you don't have to do what everyone does, you know what I'm saying? You can do it how you want to do it. So it's 11 o'clock, still fasted. I think, what am I, like 15 hours fasted? So we're here to get some ingredients for a antipasta salad, which is like my favorite antipasta salad. We're going to a barbecue tonight. Yes, I have friends. No, my entire world is not on social media, just on social media. Yes, I actually have people who want me to come to their house. Believe it or not, the rumors are not true. So I have a sidekick with me, Emma. Emma's coming to the grocery store with me, and we're gonna get all the ingredients to make this dish for this barbecue tonight. Peter's with the kids, and I'm excited about it, so let's go.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl.
Okay, so first things first, I order salami, hard salami, and I ask for it to be like 1/4 of an inch thick. And that plus some provolone cheese, I order it the exact same way, and then I dice it up. Now I did find this Cracker Barrel that looked amazing, so I wanted to try some different types of cheese in there, and grabbed all of the rest of the ingredients with Emma. This is like one of the easiest recipes to whip together. Also, I tried a different type of Italian dressing, which I really like this one because of the types of oils it uses, and it's just like a cleaner Italian dressing, very good for keto. Lastly, we grab the peppers and then we get ready to make this thing. All right, so first thing is our salami. We have about 1.5 pounds, a little bit more than that, and then 1.25 pounds of the cheese. Okay, now you can do this however you want, really. You don't necessarily have to follow it how I do. You really cannot mess this up. But we just take all of these ingredients, and I did not use all of the olives that are shown here. I think I used 2 of these cans, and I used 1 of the containers of dressing. All right, guys, so here's where the magic happens. I'm going to add all the ingredients to the pan. I chopped everything up, so I have everything chopped, and I'm just gonna add our olives and our dressing and everything together. All right, it came out perfect, so I am breaking my fast with this beauty. This dish is literally like 80% fat. It's so perfect if you just went off track with keto and you're just getting back on track, because it's gonna fill you up. It's gonna help with cravings. It's definitely amazing. I can tell you guys, like, it's one of my absolute favorite things to make. Not just for a crowd, but just to make it, keep it in the refrigerator. My husband loves it. Everyone pretty much loves it, to just be able to go and scoop whatever they want. I stopped eating last night at 6:30. So I am 18 hours fasted, which is pretty much what I'm like in the habit of doing every day. Like pretty much 18 hours is like my normal. And I'm not hungry at all. You shouldn't be hungry if you're intermittent fasting. Maybe the first 3 days, but after that you shouldn't be. So I'm about to really enjoy this. And I'm feeling really good. I don't have any cravings for any sugar, any carbs, or anything like that. And so this will be a perfect first meal. All right, so I decided to get caught up on some business, answering emails, checking DMs, all of that while I have my meal, because I am a multitasker and I have a hard time focusing on one thing at a time. I don't know if anyone can relate to that, but I loved this. It was so good. Like, I'm gonna make more of this for sure. So after I had that meal, I just went and I finished working. Yes, it's a weekend. Yes, it's a holiday, but my business doesn't stop. I'm an entrepreneur, and so especially the end of the month, there's a lot of team stuff going on. And then after that, you know, I just was not satisfied. You know how you just like are not fully satisfied with a meal, you just need more food? So I made this creamy blueberry muffin batter shake that is insane, with some unsweetened almond milk, some keto cream, and some blueberry pro. I blended this up. Guys, this is ridiculously good. I do have samples in the description if you want to try it, but for sure it hit the spot. This literally tastes like blueberry muffin cake batter. So good. So good. Coming back to keto, it's really important to get plenty of water. My goal on this day was to hit a gallon of water, so I was chugging water. I just realized it's been 7 months since I did a what I ate in a day full vlog video. If this is something you want to see more of, put it in the comments. Very helpful when you guys let me know what type of content you like, what you want more of. How's your nap? Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's
You
go.
ready to go? Where are we going?
I'm gonna go to a boat.
Is that where we're going?
I'm gonna go.
You want to go on the boat?
Yeah,
How about we go to a friend's house?
this house.
You want to go to a friend's house?
Yeah,
Oh.
this house.
Okay, let's go. So this is gonna be fun. I'm really looking forward to this. I don't want to be a creep. I don't want to be weird recording at someone else's house. So I will share with you guys what I eat and try to be stealth and take pictures of the food, but we will see if it's creepy and if I don't want to be like, you know, you guys know what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying. So Clara loves going for walks, and so it was actually nice for us to walk. Peter had left early because Clara was still napping with the bigger kids, and so they were already there, and they live just a couple houses down. So we took a nice little walk, and it was a beautiful day, a wonderful day to just go out with Clara. So at the party, I had a burger with cheese and mayonnaise, jalapeno peppers, onions, and then my antipasto salad, and it was amazing. It was so good, and so that was great. And then the kids had so much fun. We stayed really, really late, way later than expected, but we had a great time. Good morning, guys. All right, so it is the next day. I had way too much to drink last night. Normally, I don't drink alcohol. Normally, I don't, but it's a holiday. I'm at a friend's house, you know, so there are exceptions. And typically when I'm just coming back off of a higher carb meal day, I don't like to drink alcohol. But like I said before, there are exceptions. So last night was so much fun. I did stay strict keto. It was great. I had some extra drinks, but no big deal. Moving on today, brewing some coffee. I'm having plenty of ketones, plenty of electrolytes, and just ready to move forward. And I feel like I am on a roll and so excited. So if you enjoyed this video, if you want more videos like this, put it in the comments below. Hit that like button if you got value out of this video, and check out my transformation video if you haven't seen it. I updated it like a week ago and it's amazing. Like, I feel like the goal of that video is to inspire you, help you stay on track to your goals, just by sharing my story, sharing my journey, to get vulnerable about the entire journey and all of that. I know it's just making an impact. So check that video out after this one. I would love to do more of these what I eat in a day vlogs for you if you guys want to see more of that. So let me know. Take care.